All right, the project we're gonna be doing is gonna be back here. We're gonna try to build a well house or a pump house around that well. Down here in Florida, the sun likes to eat up those, and I like to try to protect that as long as I could. But also future projects, what we're gonna do, I'll be back there. I see it zooming out, way back out there. We're gonna add on to that to the side. And I also gotta come up with some kind of drainage situation we got going on here, because all the water that runs off the house is eroding over there. But that'll be future projects, so please like and follow on those. But today I'm gonna get this area leveled out, and we're gonna build a 4x8 little simple pump house. Okay, for this project, for the base, it'll be on the ground. I'm gonna use reclaimed wood that came off that pallet right there. That's what racks, car lifts come on. They're hardwood, strong. I'm gonna use them for the base. Okay, we got everything measured out. Was it to be a 4x8, but I'm shortening it up so it's 6 feet. The reason why I did that is for this 4 feet here, I'm gonna take the 2 feet I took off that sheet of T111 we're gonna put on it, and I utilize it for the side. Let me show you what we did here. Did do a little mess up here because I measured this cross piece for 4 feet. I forgot to take out the measurement here with 2.5 inches. But everything's squared off. We did make sure it was level, so we got a good base to start with. It's good and solid. Put some concrete underneath it, so I have a good pad. Now we gotta start building the walls. Then after the walls, we're gonna start putting the siding on it. Okay, we're on to the wall construction. I got the 6-foot bottom. I'm gonna go 4 feet from the bottom to the top. Now I had to take out the measurement for the 2x4s. Now the top one I'm gonna leave 8 feet, so I got a little bit of overhang on each side. So kind of give it like a 1 foot overhang all the way around. Did change it up a little bit. I am 24 in center. Reason why, well, about 24 in center. Reason why is so when the T111 I go on it, I'm actually gonna run it up and down. So then here I can build a door, and T111 has a lip on it. That's a 1/4 inch lip. So when I build the door, or when it closes, you won't even see it. The only thing will be there will be the hinge. So let me get this nailed up, and we'll move on to the next step. Now the reason why I have it against something, so when you run the nail gun, you want to put pressure against it so you ain't sliding across the floor. So just a little bit of pressure there, put a couple nails in the bottom of it, a couple nails in the top. Now build the other side, and I'll show you where we're at. Okay, you can see here how we got all the walls up. Just so happens this is 24 on center. Nailed it to the base. I got 10 degree cuts here. There's a 3-inch, actually a 6-inch drop from this side for runoff. But now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put T111 on this side and the other side. And I'm gonna try to figure out a door for each side, because when you put one of these up, I wanna make sure you have access to your contactor and capacitor in case you ever have to service it. Plus you get the main cutoff there, but we also have a cutoff over there with the filter. But we'll get going. I'll get the sides up. All I'm gonna do is cut it to size, screw it into place. I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna build some kind of door in this center section on each side so it opens up, and so we have access to it. Look forward to the next video. I need to stand on the other end.
If you ever win again? It's a good question. I don't know. I mean, I was dreaming of that ever since I showed up here at Indianapolis. I knew exactly where I wanted to go. So it was a dream come true. You know, we're in a fortunate position to win this race again, and I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what we're going to do as a team, but, you know, it's a good problem to have to try and figure out how you're going to celebrate. There's nothing like Indianapolis. I mean, this race is the greatest race in the world for a reason. You feel it. You know, when you live it, you really believe it. It's easy to...